Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of NetApp, a leader in intelligent data infrastructure. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
NetApp reported strong financial results for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, with an 8% year-over-year increase in net revenues to $1.54 billion. The company achieved record GAAP and non-GAAP operating margins and net income per share. NetApp also returned $507 million to stockholders through share repurchases and cash dividends. The company introduced several new products and expanded strategic partnerships, positioning itself for continued growth.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $1.54 billion, compared to $1.43 billion in the same period last year, representing an 8% year-over-year increase.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
GAAP EPS for the current quarter was $1.07, compared to 69 cents in the same period last year. Non-GAAP EPS 6, compared to 1/5 cents in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
The hybrid cloud segment revenue was $1.38 billion, compared to $1.28 billion in the same period last year. The public cloud segment revenue was $159 million, compared to $154 million in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
The next cash dividend of 52 cents per share is to be paid on October 23, 2024, to stockholders of record as of the close of business on October 4, 2024.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
NetApp introduced the new NetApp AFA series family of high-performance all-flash arrays, 6 new NetApp storage grid models, a new CyberVault reference architecture, NetApp AI Pod with Lenovo ThinkSystem servers for NVIDIA OVX, and NetApp Blue XP Workload Factory for AWS deployments. The company also announced NetApp GenAI Toolkit for Azure and a partnership with AWS for Amazon Bedrock with the Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP reference architecture. Additionally, NetApp expanded its relationship with Porsche Motorsport and partnered with Dürr Group.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For the second quarter of fiscal year 2025, net revenues are expected to be in the range of $1.565 billion to $1.715 billion. For the full fiscal year 2025, net revenues are expected to be in the range of $6.480 billion to $6.680 billion. Consolidated gross margins are expected to be in the range of 70 to 71% GAAP and 71% to 72% non-GAAP.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
NetApp demonstrated strong financial performance with significant revenue growth, record operating margins, and net income per share. The company also made substantial returns to stockholders and introduced several innovative products and strategic partnerships, positioning itself well for future growth.
That's all for today's analysis of NetApp's stellar performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think NetApp is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.